HCD-600 PRO. Inspection. Due to warranty. HCD-600 host of remote control duplicator. Hello. On February 14, 2023, according to invoice PINO JH06021401, I bought a locksmith machine HCD-600 from your company, Quanzhou Juhui Electronic Co. Limited. After 8 months, the device no longer works. When the device is turned on, the display lights up, but does not show any graphic information. I tried to change the power batteries or connect the power via a cable. No change. It does not show graphical information at all.